Example 2 under addition and subtraction of standard 4. So let's look at this. Let's look at this example. That's another example under the addition. So we have simplify the following. Simplify the following. A, we have 2.13 times the 10 to the power 3, 4 plus 4.38 times 10 to the power 5. 4.3 times 8. Then we have 6.19 and the 10 to the power 5 minus 3.42 times 10 to the power 4. So we want just look at this example. A for addition, then B for subtraction. Under the addition and subtraction of standard 4. First one. So we have 2.13 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 plus 4.38 times 10 to the power 5. If we are to add this together, I didn't mean that the power of in which this first one is being raised here is 4, but here is 5, so they are not the same. So to add them, it would be better if they are in the same standard 4. So I mean the power of their 10, the power of their 10, if they are the same, it will be easy for us to add. So the way you can do is let's simplify this one, let it be in this form, or this one should be in this form, anyone. So if you are doing that, so let's take this one, let's allow this one to be in this form. That means you can express this 2.13 as 2. I can express this 2.13 as 0.213. How did I get 0.213? I try to shift decimal point from back of 2 to here. So that's 10 to the power 1. I will now add it to this one. That's 0.213 times 10 to the power 5. So if you shift decimal point forward like that is one thing. Add it to this 4 because 10 to the power 5 plus 4.38 times 10 to the power 3. Both are now in the same. Their base 10 are now in the same power. They are in the same. They are base 10. They are now in the same power. So with that, you can now add. How do you now add? You pick the number here. So here you now have 0.213 plus 4.38. Then everything like this into power of 5. Why? Because power of 5 here, power of 5. 10 to the power 5 is common. Bring that one out. So let us now add these two numbers together. Let's add them together. We have 0.213. That's 4.38. Add. Here we have 3. 1 plus 8, we have 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. And here we have 4. So it's going to give us 4.593. That's like 10 to the power 5. That's our answer. We have to simplify. Ensure that they are in the same, the set are in the same power. When they are in the same power, just add their number together like this and put that power that's common to them outside. And when you add, you get this, and you bring this to the power 5. Then that's how to add the number in standard 4. Okay, let's look at the second one. B. You have 6.19 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. Here you have minus 3.42 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. So if you look at this, just like the previous one, The power here, power of 10 here, power of 10 here, they are not the same. So let's see how can we make them equal so that we'll be able to subtract. So we can decide to let this one be power of 4, just like this, or we should let this one be power of 5, just like this. For us before we subtract. And let's make this one be power of 5. Let's follow with the higher one. So if you arrange that, this one is going to be 6.19 times 10 power 5. So if you are not going to make this one be power of 5, that means you're going to shift decimal point forward here once. If you shift it once forward, that is from right to the left, that's 10 power 1. Add it to this 4, equal 10 power 5. This one is going to be 0.342. How did I get that? I shift decimal point 1. Decimal point 1 to the front of 3, that way you have 0.34, and that's x power 1. I now add x power 1 to this x power 4, give me x power 5. And if you now look at it, they are in the same power. Their bases are in the same power. Power of 5, power of 5. So once they are in the same power, you can now add or subtract. So let us now subtract now. If you are subtracting, you are going to have 6.19 minus what? 0.342. Let's put power 5 behind. And it's 10 power 5 like this. Okay. Let's now subtract this. We have 6.19. Let's subtract 0.342 from it. So here you can put 0 here. So you follow 1 here to this, there will become 10. 10 minus 8, we have 2. This one remains 8. 8 minus 4, we have 4. This one is 1. You cannot go. Follow 1 here, that is 11. 11 minus 3 gives you 8. And this one remains 5, so you have 5 points. So you will get 5.848 multiplied by what? 10 power 5. So that's our final answer. So 5.848 multiplied by what? 10 to the power of 5. That is what? How to subtract number in standard form. How to subtract number in standard. So here we have simplified. We have simplified 624.3. Let's have 4 plus 6.58 raised by 4. If you are to simplify this, you are hard to hard. Let's add this. So we have 64.3 raised by 4. You want to add it to 3.58 1 cent per hour 4. Since the power of the base is staying the same, it's easy for us. Just put the 2 inside bracket like this. 624.3 plus this 3.58 like this. Power times what? Base. There is power 4. Here also there is power 4. That's what we are going to have. So I'm going to take power 4 outside because it's common. It's the same for both. If they are the same, you bring them out. You just add the number. How do we now add? You can just add something like 624.3. And then you have 3.58 like this. You arrange. Here you can put 0 here. If you have 0 plus 8, you have 8. 3 plus 5, you have 8. 4 plus 3, you have 7. Then you have 2. So we are going to have 627.88 per power 4. This is when you add. But this is not the final answer. Why? Well, in standard form, we expect your decimal place to be behind what? Back of the first number. So in that case, let's shift the decimal point from here to the back of first number. We are shifting from right to left first. 1, 2. That is 2. Then that's 10 power 2. So it will be 6.27 88 times 10 power 2. Why? Because I'm shifting it right here. Well, this one. Let's look at it. 1, 2. That's what forms 10 power 2. Then we because you have the 4 times 10 power 4. The final answer will be 6.2788 times 10 power. No, you have it power square, that's 10 power 6. So 10 power 6. That is the how to add number in a standard form. And this one now take us to multiplication and division of number in standard form. Multiplication. And division of number. Multiplication and division in standard form. So let's see how we can multiply. We have seen how we can add an expression in standard form. Let's see how can we multiply number in standard form. Let's look at example. Example 1. Example 1. Simplify 6.23 times 10 power 5 multiply by 4.1 times 10 power 4. You can see this one that if you have to simplify this and this multiply, you have to multiply this and this together, and they are in standard form. The best way to do it is you can first multiply the two numbers together. Whatever you get, you now apply their base. I mean the base 10 power 5 and 10 power 4. You can now come with that one later. So let's also multiply this, just our normal multiplication. Let's multiply 6.23 by 34.1. So with that, we have 6.23 times 10 power 5 multiplied by 34.1 times 10 power 4 can be expressed as, let's take care of this one first. That is 6.23 times 34.1, and that one should be, we have 6.23. Then we have 34.1. So here, let's do our normal multiplication. So here we have 1 times 3, we have 3. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 6, we have 6. 4 times 3, we have 12. We keep 1. And then 4 times 2, we have 8. Plus 1, we have 9. Then 4 times 6, we have 24. Then 3 times 2, we have 9. 3 times 2, we have 6. And 3 times 6, we have 18. And if you add it together, here we have 3, here we have 2. 6 plus 9, that is 15. 15 plus 9, that is 24. Bring that to here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, we have 12. Keep 1. If you bring that one here, that is 3. 3 plus 8, we have 11, and we have 1 here. So to now know here to decimal point, you now count how many numbers you have. For example, here you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 digits. You count from the back. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 112.423. That is what you are going to get. 112.423.
Look at this part. 2 plus 2, root 2 of 4.
that's an error. So here we have 3. 2 plus 2 should be 4, not 2. So 2 plus 2. Here 3 here. 2 plus 2 4. 6 here 15. 15 24. Right 4. 2 here 6. 12. Okay. Here 11. If you have 11 here, 1, keep 1. Bring that 1 here. I think this one is supposed to be 2. 2, 1, 2. Not 1, 1, 2. But this one is 11. You write 1, you bring the meaning 1, you bring it here. Plus 1. It's supposed to give us 2. Okay. From here, we multiply this by saying 1 times 3 give us this, 1 times 2 this, 1 times 6 is. Then 4 times 3 12. We have 4 times 2 8 plus 1 9. 4 times 6 24. We have it. Then 3 times 3 here we have 9. 3 times 2 6. 3 times 6 we have 18 like then let's add together. 3 here we have 3. 2 plus 2 we have 4. 6 plus 9 15 plus 9 24. Keep 2. Bring that 2 here, that's 6. 6 plus 6 we have 12. We have that 12 here. You write 2, keep 1. Bring that 1 here 3. 3 plus 8 we have 11. You write 1 here. Bring that 1. Bring that 1 here you have 2. So when you multiply your habits, you now get our final answer. So what you are supposed to do now is when you multiply this with this, give us 212.443 multiply by, when you multiply this and this, give us this. Then what of this one? 10 power 5. Then times this other one. 10 power 4. So what we are going to do is to give us 212.443 by 10 power. How to read this is, if you have 10 and 10, pick 1. Because we have multiplication between them, let's add the power. That is 10 power 5 plus 4. So it's going to give us 212.443 times 10 power 9. That is 4 plus 5, 9. This is not our final answer. The standard way is that standard form, the decimal point should be at the back of first number. So let's shift the decimal point from here. 1, 2. That will be 2.12443 and the test for what? Because we shift the decimal point twice. We had that 2 here, that's test for 11. And this is our final answer. We have to simplify. So that is multiplication of number in standard form.